Meaning of daringly.
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 Daringly. The term daringly refers to acts or behaviors that involve boldness and a willingness to take risks or engage in unconventional methods. Such actions are often characterized by their bravery, creativity, and strategic thinking. In practice, daringly can be seen in a wide range of situations, from everyday decision-making processes to high-stakes scenarios where individuals must think quickly on their feet. The end result of daringly is usually a sense of accomplishment, personal growth, and the potential for significant rewards or benefits. However, there is also a risk of failure or negative consequences associated with daringly actions.